Imagine standing on the edge of infinity, where the known universe gives way to the unknown, where the limits of perception dissolve into endless space. The human mind, bound by the constraints of time and space, can barely fathom the concept that the universe, this vast, mysterious entity we are a part of, may be infinite. What would it mean for everything we thought we knew about existence if this universe, in all its grandeur, had no end? What if it stretched beyond the horizon of our understanding, beyond the edges of our perception, and continued indefinitely, without boundary, forever? From the earliest days of civilization, humans have marveled at the stars, assigning meaning to their brilliance. They observed their patterns, weaving myths and legends, seeing in the night sky a divine map of the cosmos. But as our curiosity grew, so too did our capacity to observe, understand, and eventually challenge these beliefs. The early models of the universe placed Earth at the center, a finite, ordered place surrounded by stars and planets, governed by divine forces. Yet, as our telescopes grew more advanced, we discovered something far more extraordinary. The stars and galaxies did not orbit us. They were part of a vast universe, stretching outward in ways we never imagined. Galileo's humble telescope opened the door to a universe far larger than anyone had imagined. He saw Jupiter's moons, the craters on the moon's surface, and stars beyond our solar system. These discoveries shattered old conceptions, showing us that the universe was much more expansive than we had ever thought. But it wasn't until Edwin Hubble peered into the depths of space with his powerful observatory that we understood something even more profound. The universe is not only vast, but it is expanding. Galaxies were receding from us, and the very fabric of space itself was stretching outward, carrying galaxies farther away from each other at an accelerating rate. This realization begged the question, if space is expanding, is the universe truly infinite? At the heart of this revelation lies a concept that challenges our deepest intuitions. The universe is not simply growing, it is expanding. It's not the stars themselves that are moving through space, but space itself that is stretching. Every galaxy, every star, every planet is being carried farther from each other by the expanding fabric of space-time. And as we look deeper into the universe, the more distant galaxies appear to be speeding away from us, stretching the very light they emit. This expansion, as we know it, is not just a feature of our observable universe. It suggests that beyond what we can see, space continues to stretch endlessly. But if that's the case, how can we possibly understand a universe that has no boundaries, no edge, no limit? Our observable universe is limited, a sphere centered on Earth with a radius of 46 billion light-years. Beyond that, light has not yet had time to reach us since the beginning of time. But in an infinite universe, the limits of our observation mean very little. Beyond our sight, there may lie a boundless sea of galaxies, stars, and other phenomena, infinite in number, stretching in every direction. Even the very laws of physics may differ in far-off reaches of the universe. Could there be entire galaxies where gravity works differently, where light behaves in ways that we can't yet comprehend? The concept of infinity not only challenges our understanding of space, but it also pushes the boundaries of time, suggesting that the universe has no beginning and no end, an eternal, ever-unfolding expanse. But an infinite universe is not just about size. It also opens the door to a realm of possibilities. What if there are entire realities, entire universes that are just slightly different from our own? The multiverse theory suggests that beyond our universe, there could be countless other universes, each governed by its own set of physical laws. In one universe, gravity might be stronger, causing entire worlds to collapse under their own weight. In another, time might flow backward, and the concept of cause and effect would be reversed. Each of these universes would be a unique expression of reality, infinite in form, each with its own potential for life, for evolution, for meaning. And what if some of these universes intersect with ours, in ways that we cannot yet perceive? Could we ever understand the true nature of existence if our universe is just one among an infinite number of possibilities? And what of life in this infinite expanse? On Earth, we understand life as a complex system based on carbon and water, with biological processes we've come to know and love. But in an infinite universe, life could take forms that are entirely alien to us. Life may thrive in conditions that would be uninhabitable for us. In the crushing pressure of gas giants, beneath the icy surface of distant moons, or in the superheated waters of an alien world. What if the very essence of life here on Earth is just one example of the infinite possibilities for existence? Could there be civilizations out there with technologies beyond our wildest imagination, or life forms that are entirely incomprehensible to our senses? In an infinite universe, life is but one aspect of the larger cosmic cycle. Stars are born, they shine, and they die, giving rise to new elements, new worlds, and perhaps even new forms of life. Black holes, mysterious and powerful, devour entire stars and planets, transforming them into singularities, points where the laws of physics break down. And yet, from the ashes of this destruction, new stars are born, new galaxies take shape, and the cycle begins again. In the cosmic scale, life and death are not separate events. They are intertwined, part of a never-ending process that shapes the universe in ways we can barely begin to understand. Is there an ultimate purpose to this cycle, or is it just a never-ending dance of creation and destruction? Yet, despite the vastness of the universe, despite the infinite scale of space and time, humanity remains driven by one undeniable force: the desire to explore. We have launched ourselves into the cosmos, sending robotic probes to the furthest reaches of our solar system and beyond. We have built telescopes to peer into the distant past, seeking the origin of stars, galaxies, and the universe itself. And even now, we dream of reaching the stars, of sending humans to distant worlds, of unraveling the secrets of the infinite. In the face of an infinite universe, we are reminded of how small we are. But it is precisely because of this vastness, this boundlessness, that we are compelled to search for meaning. Our place in the cosmos may be insignificant on the grand scale, but our ability to dream, to question, to explore, is what sets us apart. The universe may be infinite, but the search for knowledge, for truth, for purpose, that is what gives our lives meaning. And perhaps, as we reach for the stars, we are not just seeking answers to the mysteries of the universe. We are also searching for ourselves,